Imagine closing your eyes and seeing your dreams unfold with vivid clarity. A thriving career, a peaceful mind, a life brimming with purpose, each detail so real you can almost touch it. Visualization isn't just daydreaming, it's a potent tool to shape your reality, turning fleeting hopes into tangible outcomes. In a world that often feels chaotic and uncertain, the ability to focus your mind's eye on what matters most can steer you towards success with unwavering resolve. The Buddha, who used meditative visions to deepen his insight and achieve enlightenment, understood the mind's power to create and transform. His teachings offer practical, grounded ways to harness visualization, not as wishful thinking, but as a disciplined practice rooted in mindfulness and intention. Let's dive into the Buddhist-inspired path to unlock the power of visualization, guiding you to manifest your aspirations with clarity and calm, one vivid image at a time. Visualization, in the Buddhist context, aligns with the principle that the mind is the forerunner of all things. As stated in the Dhammapada, all that we are arises with our thoughts. By intentionally shaping mental images, you influence your emotions, actions, and reality, countering the suffering, dukkha, caused by scattered or negative thoughts driven by craving, or tanha, or ignorance. The Buddha used visualization in practices like anapanasati, or mindful breathing, and metabhavana, loving-kindness meditation, to cultivate focus and compassion, paving his path to awakening. You can use it to pursue goals, a new skill, a healthier body, or inner peace by vividly imagining the process and outcome. The first tool is mindfulness, the practice of anchoring your awareness in the present to make visualization clear and intentional. A distracted mind visualizes vaguely. I want to be successful, lacking focus and fading fast. Mindfulness sharpens your mental images, grounding them in the now. Picture this, you're aiming for a promotion, but doubt clouds your mind. I'm not ready, I'll never get there. Pause. Feel your breath, slow and steady. Notice the chair's support, the room's hum, the weight of your hands. Label the thought fear. Now, visualize yourself in the role, delivering a confident presentation, shaking hands, feeling accomplished. See the details, your posture, the room's light, your steady voice. This clarity, rooted in presence, fuels motivation to act, like preparing notes today. The Buddha used mindfulness to focus his meditations, visualizing truth. You can focus your visions building success. Practice it. Start with 5 minutes daily. Sit, focus on your breath. Inhale for 4, exhale for 6. When distractions arise, this is silly, it won't work, note them as thinking and return to the breath. Then spend 2 minutes visualizing a goal. See yourself achieving it, feel the joy, hear the sounds. In daily life, pause before tasks. Feel your body name the distraction, doubt, and visualize success, like nailing a meeting. Track it. Journal one mindful visualization daily, like picturing a workout and doing it. Mindfulness builds a mind that visualizes with precision, setting the stage for manifestation. The second tool is right intention, or sankappa, the Buddhist principle of aligning your visualizations with purpose and kindness. Visualizations driven by greed, I want fame, or envy, I'll outshine them, breed stress, not success. Right intention ensures your mental images serve growth and well-being for yourself and others. You're visualizing a new business, but your mind veers, I'll be richer than them. Pause. Set an intention, I create to serve and grow. Now, picture your business thriving, helping customers, collaborating with a team, feeling fulfilled. This purposeful image inspires action, like drafting a plan. The Buddha's intentions shaped his visions of compassion. Yours can shape visions of meaningful success. Practice it. Before visualizing, spend 2 minutes setting an intention. I visualize for growth, or I act with kindness. Write it, keep it visible. Pair it with mindfulness. Notice when intention strays, I just want to win, and renew it. In daily life, check hourly. Are your visualizations purposeful? If ego creeps in, I'll look better than them. Reframe, I'm building my path. Visualize with care, like seeing a team project succeed. Track it. Journal one intentional visualization daily, like picturing a kind interaction and acting on it. Right intention builds a mind that visualizes with purpose, channeling the power of visualization toward true success. The third tool is metta, loving kindness, the Buddhist practice of cultivating compassion to infuse your visualizations with warmth and connection. Visualizations can become cold or self-centered. I succeed, others don't matter, isolating you from support. Metta ensures your visions include kindness, drawing allies and peace. You're preparing for a speech, visualizing success, but anxiety spikes. I'll mess up, pause, wish yourself well. May I be confident, may I be calm. Then others, may my audience be inspired. Picture yourself speaking clearly, the crowd engaged, everyone uplifted. This compassionate image calms nerves and inspires practice. The Buddha's metta-visions fostered harmony. Yours can foster success through connection. Practice it. Spend 5 minutes daily on metta. Wish well, yourself first. May I be happy. May I succeed. Then a loved one, a neutral person, a rival. May you be happy. Feel the words softening your heart. Pair it with mindfulness. Notice resistance. I can't include them. And return to the wish. Then visualize your goal, including others' well-being. In daily life, act on one kind thought hourly. Encourage a peer. Smile at yourself. If negativity resists, I'm too focused on me. Note it and wish all well, then visualize inclusively, like a shared win. Track it. Journal 1, metta visualization daily, like picturing a team victory and helping a colleague. Metta builds a mind that visualizes with love, amplifying success through compassion. The fourth tool is right effort viraya, the Buddhist practice of steady, balanced action to bring visualizations to life. Visualizing alone isn't enough. Without effort, it's just fantasy. Right effort bridges the gap, turning mental images into reality through consistent steps. You visualize running a marathon, seeing yourself crossing the finish line, but laziness tempts, I'll train tomorrow. Pause, act, jog for 10 minutes today. The Buddha's effort sustained his meditative visions. Yours can sustain your goals, making visualization a catalyst. Practice it. After visualizing, pick one daily action tied to your vision. Read one page, practice one skill, pair it with mindfulness. Notice the urge to procrastinate, this is too hard, and persist gently. If you overpush, I must do everything. Note it and balance with rest. In daily life, set a one-step rule, act on your vision within 5 minutes, like writing one sentence. Track it. Journal one effort moment daily, like exercising after visualizing fitness. Right effort builds a mind that acts, grounding visualization in tangible progress. The fifth tool is impermanence, the Buddhist truth that all things, doubts, obstacles, even dreams, pass. Visualization can falter when you fear failure. What if this never happens? Or cling to a rigid outcome? It must look exactly like this. Impermanence frees you. This vision is a guide, not a guarantee, and challenges are temporary. You visualize a new career, but setbacks loom. I'm too late. Pause, say, this is now, not forever. Picture adapting, learning, pivoting, succeeding. Then act, update your resume. The Buddha saw change as liberation, visualizing with flexibility. You can visualize with trust, embracing the journey. Practice it. Reflect daily. What doubt faded last week? Pair it with a mantra. This will pass. When obstacles block your vision, I'm failing, write one way it could shift. A new approach, time. Act on it like researching a skill. If you cling, it must happen my way. Breathe and repeat the mantra. In daily life, notice impermanence. A fear lifts, a step succeeds. Track it. Journal one impermanent moment daily, like visualizing despite a setback and acting. Impermanence builds a mind that adapts, making visualization resilient. The sixth tool is wisdom, seeing through the illusion of a fixed self, anatta. Visualization can become ego-driven. I must be the best, or limited by self-doubt. I'm not capable. Wisdom reveals there's no solid you, just thoughts, actions, moments. That failure blocking your vision, it's not you, it's a thought you can release. Wisdom asks, who's visualizing? You'll find a fluid being, free to imagine and act. You visualize leading a project, but fear whispers, I'm not enough. Pause. Question, is this me? Picture yourself leading with ease, then act. Propose one idea. The Buddha's wisdom fueled his visions. Yours can fuel your success. Practice it. Spend 5 minutes nightly asking, what's true about my vision? Maybe your effort, your potential. Pair it with mindfulness. When doubt hits, I can't do this. Question, is this forever? Then visualize and act like practicing a skill. In daily life, apply it. If fear blocks your vision, ask what's the truth and act like taking a step. Track it. Journal one wise moment daily, like seeing doubters fleeting and visualizing anyway. Wisdom builds a mind that trusts, grounding visualization in clarity. These 6 tools, mindfulness, right intention, metta, right effort, impermanence, wisdom, unleash the power of visualization, turning mental images into a roadmap for success. The Buddha's visions led to liberation. Yours can lead to your dreams. You're not your doubts, you're the clarity, the action, the heart that creates. Start now. Take a mindful breath, set a kind intention and visualize one goal vividly. The power of visualization is yours. See it, act and soar.